What's up, what's up? This is Chad Muska, getting ready to roll on a mission, 401 style. Yeah. First, utmost importance, to handle everything, you need the bag. This is the custom version of the backpack though. We got all the crazy compartments. Always got the headphones for skating, MP3 player, little mix tune, ready to roll. Can't leave home without this baby right here. Voila, voila. The Laptizzy Farizzi. On this, I got all my music applications like the Reason, Cubase, Peak, Spark, Recycle, and then plus all my design stuff, Illustrator, Photoshop, internet access, all wired up, ready to go. I have this keyboard, the PC300 Roland, which plugs into the laptop, and you have a complete virtual recording studio on the road. This is my baby. And this is the custom camo joint. Just throw this guy in here. I carry this guy on. I don't trust checking this one in. Fragile, very fragile. Two-way. Every mission, gotta have the two-way. Instant email, must. You know my ass got to bring some bandanas. I always got some bandanas, some funky bandanas. That's a necessity. And I don't roll with very many clothes, but when I roll with socks and boxers. See, we got the scarf, just in case, you know, we rolling somewhere cold. You gotta keep it flossy, you know what I'm saying? Deodorant, Old Spice, you know, that works sometimes. Sweatshirt, in case things get a little nippy. This is about as much as a jacket my ass is wearing, because I'm allergic to sleeves. I don't like jackets and sleeves like that sort of stuff, you know. You gotta have the lounge pool shorts for the hotel. In case you wanna take a swim, gotta have the comfy Ghetto Child's mandatory road trip item right here, Ghetto Child tank. Do not leave home without this one. Backup joints, C1s, official. Gotta have the skate kicks to keep it official right here. These are joints. These are the 503s and 802s and 103. No, if we happen to be chilling, you gotta have the chillers, you know, you gotta come through smooth. The Circa chillers, just in case, you know, things get a little crazy. Gotta rock the Dior's, you know. This is the Cadillac, baby. Cadillac, what's up? Then we got the OG Christian. So I usually grab only like 2 skateboards or so. A couple sets of wheels, Ghetto Child joints. Black Panthers, the new red ones. Fast. Yeah. I don't know about how light I roll, but I roll. This is pretty much my road trip mission right here. This is what it consists of. And a plane, or a train, or an automobile. And then you're good to go.
Yo, what's up? I'm Jim from Jimmy Eat World, and this is my homie Rama. He agrees. You're watching 411.